Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for a very nice phone, I would definitely recommend this one here. This is a Xiaomi Redmi A9 phone. Not only is this phone really good in memory, it is a 32 gigabyte, but it's also got a RAM of 2 gigabyte, as you can see, it's a really nice looking phone. You're able to download all the applications that you need in this phone. And as you can see, the camera is also very nice. I really like the camera and how clear it is. There you can see Xiaomi, which is nice. You've got the logo. And you can see as well all the applications that you're able to use, which are popular today. So if you're looking for a very nice phone that's practical, that has very good functionalities that you can use every day for everything that you need to do with the phone, I would definitely recommend it. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.